how to order and pay on Goat app. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Google Play or the App Store and then simply search for Goat and install their free app. Then you're gonna have to simply create your free account. As you can see, I have my account here, and then you're gonna have to simply choose the items that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy these sneakers. What you're gonna have to do is simply choose your size. So let me go back here, and then you're gonna have to simply select one of these options. So as you can see, verify before shipping to you, pre-verified and ready to ship with priority processing. So you're gonna have to choose one of these and then simply click on select. Now here you're gonna have to add your address and then here your payment method. Then you're gonna have to review and then simply proceed with the payment, and then you're gonna get your items delivered to you. So basically that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.